Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 3, Nouns, the naming word from the book Grammar 2. We have nouns, words that refer to the names of people, places, animals or things are called nouns. All naming words are nouns. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो किसी पीपल, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग के नेम को रेफर करते हैं उनको हम नाउन कहते हैं. जो सारे नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं वो नाउन ही होते हैं. ओके, then we have look at the pictures and read the sentences. So we have to read some sentences. First, the boy is reading. Here you can see. So the boy is the noun or you can say naming word here. Okay. Then second, the cat is sleeping. Here is the cat and it is sleeping. So here the cat is the noun or naming word. Okay. Then third, Taj Mahal is in Agra. So Taj Mahal is here a noun and also Agra is also a noun here because Taj Mahal is the name of the monument and Agra is the name of the place. Okay. Then we have fourth, it is a yellow bus. So the bus is the naming word or noun here. Okay. In sentence 1, the word boy is the name of a person. जो sentence 1 था उसमें जो the boy है, boy जो है वो name of the person है. Then in sentence 2, the word cat is the name of an animal. फिर जो sentence 2 था उसमें word cat दिया हुआ था वो है name of an animal. Okay. Then in sentence 3, Taj Mahal and Agra are the name of places. फिर sentence 3 में Taj Mahal और Agra both are the name of the places. Then in sentence 4, bus is the name of a thing. फिर sentence 4 में जो bus है वो name of a thing था. Okay, so these all are naming words or noun. More examples of nouns we have in the category of persons: boy, girl, father, mother, son, daughter, uncle, aunt, etc. Okay. Then in the category of places we have home, school, temple, park, post office, etc. Then in the category of things: bat, ball, pen, balloon, book, pencil, etc. Then we have in the category of animals: elephant, tiger, dog, fox, lion, zebra, yak, etc. Okay. Now we have creative skill. Time to do A. Underline the naming words in the following sentences. So we have to underline the naming words. Okay. Now the first one, Aman is a wise boy. So here Aman is the naming word. Also boy is also a naming word, as Aman and boy both refers to the name of the person. Okay. Then we have second, he lives in Delhi. So here we have Delhi as a naming word because it is a name of a place. Then third, the girl ate an ice cream. Now we have girl and ice cream. These are the naming words. Girl is the name of a person and ice cream is the name of a thing. Then we have fourth, Mumbai is a big city. Now we have Mumbai and city. These are the naming words. Mumbai and city both refers to a name of a place. Then fifth, Ruby has a pet dog. Now we have Ruby as well as dog. So Ruby is a name of a person and dog is a name of an animal. Okay. Then we have sixth, a horse lives in a stable. So we have horse and stable. Horse is the name of an animal and stable is the name of a place. Okay. Then 7, children are fond of toys. So we have the naming words children and toys. Children are the name of people and toys are a name of things. Okay. Then 8, my father bought me a new pen. Now father and pen. Father is a name of a person and pen is a name of a thing. So these are naming words. 9th, Rohan is riding his bicycle. So Rohan and bicycle. Rohan is the name of the person and bicycle is the name of a thing. Okay. Then we have 10th, a parrot can talk like a man. Now we have parrot and also man. Parrot is the name of an animal or you can say bird and man is a name of a person. Okay. Then we have B, look at the pictures and write the names of the nouns. Choose the words from the box given below. So we have to look at the pictures and write the name. We have a help box to take help. We have different options. Book, boy, dog, nurse, clock, park, bicycle, aeroplane. First one, this is a boy. So we'll write boy. Then second, here is the bicycle. Then we have the third one. This one is a dog. So we'll write dog. Then we have the fourth one. This is a aeroplane. So we'll write aeroplane. Now we have the fifth one. This is a clock. So we'll write clock. Then we have the sixth one. This is the picture of a park. So we'll write park. Now the seventh one. This is a book. So we'll write book. Eighth one. This is the picture of a nurse. So we'll write nurse. Then we have critical thinking. C, circle the word in each group that is not a naming word. One has been done for you. So each group में कौन सा naming word नहीं है उस पर circle करना है. One is already given for us. First, boy, girl, eat, school. So we have marked with eat. Okay. Now second, apple, rose, tiger, sea. Apple is a naming word. Then rose is a name of a flower. Then tiger is a name of an animal. Then we have sea. Sea is not a naming word. So we'll circle it. Third, meat, hat, mat, box. Meat is not a naming word. Hat is a name of a thing. Then mat, again a name of a thing. Then box, again a name of a thing. So we'll mark meat. Then fourth, pen, pencil, sing, fan. Now pen is a name of a thing. Then pencil, again a name of a thing. Sing is not a naming word. And fan, again a name of thing. So we'll circle on sing. Fifth, cow, peacock, city, right. Now cow is a name of animal. Peacock, again a name of bird. Then city, name of a place. Then we have right. This is not a naming word. So we'll circle it. Now we have common nouns and proper nouns. Nouns that refer to general names of person, animals, places or things are called common nouns. Example, boy, girl, city, river, mountain, etc. तो जो ऐसे nouns होते हैं जो journal names of person, animal, place और thing को refer करते हैं उनको हम common noun कहते हैं. We have different example like boy, girl, man, woman, bird, animal, cat, monkey. These all include common nouns. Okay. Then we have nouns that refer to particular names of people, animals, places or things are called proper nouns. तो ऐसे nouns जो कि किसी particular person, place, animal और thing को refer करते हैं उन्हें हम proper noun कहते हैं. We have example Aman, Monica, Delhi, Tubo, etc. So these all are examples of proper noun. Then we have now read and compare the following sentences. So we have to read and compare. First, a boy is reading a book. Now we have here a boy, means we are talking about a common noun. We have the journal name. Okay. Then second, Anshuman is reading a book. Now Anshuman. Anshuman is a proper noun because we have the name of a particular person. Okay. In the first sentence, it may be any boy who is reading a book, Raj, Rahul, Vikram, Alok or any other boy. First sentence में कोई भी boy हो सकता है. different name दिया है यहाँ पर राहुल, राज, विक्रम, आलोक, कोई भी हो सकता है. Right? Then the second sentence tells about a particular boy named Ashok who is reading a book. सेकेंड सेंटेंस में हमें पर्टिकुलर बॉय का नाम बताया जो कि वो बुक को रीड कर रहा है. राइट. सो बॉय इज अ कॉमन नाउन, अशोक इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन. तो इसलिए जो बॉय है वो कॉमन नाउन है और जो अशोक है वो हमारे लिए प्रॉपर नाउन है. ओके. Then we have know it. Common nouns do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. जो कॉमन नाउन्स होते हैं वो किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग को रेफर नहीं करते. कॉमन नाउन्स बिगिन विद स्मॉल लेटर्स. जो कॉमन नाउन होते हैं वो स्मॉल लेटर्स से बिगिन करते हैं, शुरू होते हैं. प्रॉपर नाउन्स ऑलवेज बिगिन विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. जो प्रॉपर नाउन होते हैं वो हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर्स से बिगिन करते हैं. ओके. देन वी हैव सम मोर कॉमन नाउन्स एंड प्रॉपर नाउन्स. So we have some examples of both common nouns and proper noun. So here we have common nouns: boy, girl, city, country, river, day, month, then newspaper, book, monuments, goods. These all are the examples of common noun. Then we have proper nouns example. Arjun, Amaresh, Dinesh. Then we have Rani, Amrita, Sonam. Then Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai. Then we have India, Japan, France. Then Ganga, Yamuna, Mahanadi. Sunday, Friday, Saturday, January, December, The Telegraph, The Statesman. Then we have Gitanjali, Wings of Fire, India Gate, Taj Mahal, Victoria Memorial. Then we have Samsung, Dairy Milk, LG. So when we are referring to a particular object, means particular name of a person, animal or thing, then we are talking about only proper nouns. When we are talking about journal names of person, place, thing and animal, then we are referring to common nouns. Okay. Now we have the spot the error. Draupadi Murmu, which is wrong. Draupadi Murmu, which is right. Why? So I have already told you that when we write proper nouns, we use capital letters always. So in the first one, you can see the starting of the name is with small letters. And this is the name of a person, which is proper noun. So this is incorrect. That's why it is wrong. Okay. And in the second one, you can see we have written the name of the person Draupadi Murmu with capital letters. That's why it is right. Okay. Then we have creative skill, Time to do. A. Circle the common nouns and underline the proper nouns in the following sentences. So, common nouns को हमें circle करना है और proper nouns को हमें underline करना है. First, Priyanshi is a good girl. So, Priyanshi is a proper noun, we'll underline it. And girl is a common noun, we'll circle it. Then second, Anshuman is a smart boy. So we'll underline Anshuman and circle on boy, as boy is a common noun, whereas Anshuman is a proper noun, okay? Now we have third one, Kolkata, capital, West Bengal. So Kolkata is a proper noun, we'll underline it. Then capital, capital is a common noun, so we'll circle it. Then we have West Bengal, which is again a proper noun, so we'll underline it. Then we have fourth, India is our country. Now again we have two naming words or noun here, India and country. India is a proper noun and whereas country is a common noun. So we'll underline India and circle country. Fifth, Mr. R.K. Chaudhary is our teacher. So we have R.K. Chaudhary and teacher are these noun. Okay. Then R.K. Chaudhary is a proper noun and teacher is a common noun. So we'll underline R.K. Chaudhary and circle teacher. Then we have sixth, spring is a pleasant season. Now spring, then season. Spring is a proper noun and season is a common noun. So we'll underline this and circle this one. Then we have seventh, Mumbai is a big city. We have Mumbai and city. These are the naming words, noun. And we'll underline Mumbai as it is a proper noun and circle on city as it is a common noun. Then we have 8, Taj Mahal is a famous monument. We have Taj Mahal and monument as the naming words. Taj Mahal is a proper noun whereas monument is a common noun. Then 9th, she is an editor with the Telegraph. So we have naming words editor, telegraph. Editor is the common noun, so we'll circle it. Telegraph is a proper noun, so we'll underline it. Then 10th, Virat Kohli is a good cricketer. Now Virat Kohli is a proper noun and cricketer is a common noun. So we'll underline this one and circle this one. Then we have B, match the common nouns in column A with the proper nouns in column B. So in column A we have common nouns and in column B we have proper noun. We have to match them. First, day. So we'll match first with B, that is a Sunday. Then second, river. Yamuna is a river, so we'll match second with C. Then third, country. India is a country, so we'll match third with E. Fourth, car. Maruti Suzuki is a car, so we'll match fourth with A. Then fifth, singer. We have Shreya Ghoshal is a singer, so we'll match fifth with F. And sixth, monument. Taj Mahal is a monument, so we'll match sixth with D. Now we have C. Here is a list of nouns given below. Some of them are common nouns and some are proper nouns. Separate them and write them in their proper columns. Remember to begin proper nouns with the capital letter. तो ये जो बॉक्स दिया है इसमें हमारे कुछ प्रॉपर नाउन है, कुछ कॉमन नाउन है, उन्हें हमें सेपरेट करना है. वी हैव 2 कॉलम्स गिवन, कॉमन नाउन्स और प्रॉपर नाउन्स. प्रॉपर नाउन्स को हमें कैपिटल लेटर से बिगिन करना है. फर्स्ट आई विल रीड दीज ऑप्शंस. हिमालय, डॉक्टर, अमृता, फेस्टिवल, क्रिकेटर, ताजमहल, सैमसंग, असम, डे, टीचर, एक्टर, टाउन, फ्रेंड, बुक, January, school, India, Monday, Sachin, Rohit. Now we'll separate them. First is Himalaya. Himalaya is the name of a mountain, so it is a proper noun. Then doctor. Doctor is a journal name, so it is a common noun. Then we have Amrita. Amrita is a name of a particular person, so it is a proper noun. Then we have festival. Festival is a journal name, so we'll write under the category of common noun. Then we have cricketer. Cricketer is a journal name, so this is a common noun. Then we have Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the name of a particular monument, so it is a proper noun. Then we have Samsung. Samsung is the particular name of the mobile phone company, or a company, just I'll say. So this is a proper noun. Then we have Assam. Assam is a particular name of the state, so it is a proper noun. Then we have Day. Day is a journal name, so we'll consider it as common noun. Then we have teacher. Teacher refers to a journal name, so it is a common noun. Then we have actor. Again, actor refers to a journal name, so it is a common noun. Then we have town. Town refers to a journal name of a place, so it is a common noun. Then friend. Friend refers to a journal name of a person, so it is a common noun. Then book. Book refers to a journal name of a book, that can be any book, so it is a common noun. Then January. January is the name of the month, so it is a proper noun. School. School is the journal name of, that can be any name of the school, so it is a common noun. Then we have India. India is the name of the particular country, so it is a proper noun. Then we have Monday. Monday is the name of the day, so this is a proper noun. Then we have Sachin. Sachin is a particular name of a person, so it is a proper noun. Then Rohit. Rohit is a particular name of a person, again it is a proper noun. Now review, all naming words are nouns. जो सारे naming words होते हैं उन्हें हम noun कहते हैं. Nouns that refer to journal names of person, animal, places or things are called common noun. ऐसे noun जो हमें journal name of person, place, animal और thing के बारे में रेफर करते हैं उन्हें हम कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. Nouns that refer to particular name of person, animal, places or thing are called proper noun. ऐसे नाउन जो हमें पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ पर्सन, एनिमल, प्लेस और थिंग को रेफर करते हैं उन्हें हम प्रॉपर नाउन कहते हैं. प्रॉपर नाउन्स ऑलवेज बिगिन विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. जो प्रॉपर नाउन होते हैं वो हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से बिगिन करते हैं. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.